So guys, if you're also facing the issue of Snapchat support code c14b, c14a error code, then friends, in today's video, I will tell you how you can fix this issue and you log in your Snapchat account. So guys, whenever you're trying to log in your Snapchat account, if you also face the error of support code c14b, c14a error, then friends, first of all, you need to update your Snapchat application from your App Store or Play Store. And friends, if the update is available, you simply need to update the Snapchat application. And friends, then in our second step, make sure to check is that your internet connection is good or not. For example, friends, if your internet connection is slow or not working properly, then you will face this kind of issue. So make sure to check your internet connection. For example, if your internet connection is working properly, then as you tap on the login option, your Snapchat account will be login. Like guys, you can see my Snapchat account is login. So guys, as you follow these two simple methods, your issue will be fixed and you can log in your Snapchat account. But friends, if the issue is not fixed, then that means maybe Snapchat server is down or not working properly. But friends, by following these simple steps, definitely your issue will be fixed, like you can see. And friends, if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.